Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will show you the product template Real Preview enhancement, in version 10. In this feature, we have given the privilege to the customer, to see templates in 2D Real Preview models. Admin can assign the 2D models, to any standard product. Let's go to the admin side. Go to Designer Studio from the left menu. Go to Studio Settings, and then click Real Preview. To understand this feature, click the Real Preview Models button, in the upper right corner. After clicking, you will be taken to the Real Preview Models page, where you will get two types of preview type radio buttons. That is, 2D and 3D, which is an add-on. So, select 2D, give it a title, then upload a mask image to show how a preview should look. Based on the preview generation, our technical team will write CSS over here for a proper preview, as you can see over here. We have taken an example for business cards. We have the top and back page, at the bottom for the preview purpose. In order to do this kind of preview, write CSS, and click on Save and Back. Going back to the main menu, here you can now assign this model, to any standard product, by clicking on the Assign Real Preview Models button, in the top right corner. So, select the preview type 2D, choose your product from the drop-down menu, then select the type that is product size, or options, and then choose the Real Preview model. You have to add it from the drop-down list, and make the status active, then save it. To check on the front end, just click on the Preview button, and then click the Browse Design Action button, and you can see over here, the 2D preview of the templates, for the product you've assigned to Real Preview models. Also, if you want to customize the design, click on Customize and it will go into the Designer Studio, where you can design as per your requirement, and then click on the Continue button. The user will be taken to the Additional Information page, where they can view the real preview of their design, as you can see over here. Also, under My Saved Designs, your customer will be able to see a 2D Real Preview, like this. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any queries, feel free to connect with us.